It's in your sunscreen, your toothpaste, your candy, and your medicine. Titanium dioxide, the brilliant white pigment that makes our world brighter. But a growing wave of health concerns is forcing us to ask, at what cost? Let's unmask the science. Titanium dioxide itself is a naturally occurring mineral. In its larger bulk form, it's considered inert. It doesn't react. The controversy ignites with its nanoform. Engineered to be incredibly small, these nanoparticles behave differently. Their tiny size allows them to potentially cross biological barriers that larger particles cannot. The primary alarm bell is genotoxicity, the ability to damage our genetic DNA. Some studies, particularly on animals via inhalation, suggest that high concentrations of TiO2 nanoparticles can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and inflammation. This has raised red flags for long-term exposure and potential cancer risk. This science has created a global regulatory rift. In 2022, the European Union banned titanium dioxide, E171, as a food additive, citing genotoxicity concerns. However, in the US and other regions, it remains approved for use in food, classified as generally recognized as safe by the FDA, based on older studies. Context is critical. The highest risk is linked to inhalation, primarily an occupational hazard for factory workers. For consumers, the main route is ingestion. The question science is now racing to answer: is the amount we consume from food and products enough to cause the damage seen in high-dose lab studies? So what's the verdict? The dilemma is real, the science is evolving. While panic isn't necessary, awareness is. Be your own advocate, read labels, understand that nano isn't always noted. The conversation is no longer about if it's white, but whether it's right. What do you think? Share your thoughts below.